Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete Facebook account on phone. Before you get started, please subscribe YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap at the gear to open up settings, and then tap here it says see more in account center. So we need to get into Meta account center to continue. After that, tap at personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Then choose an account you like to delete. I have just one Facebook account here, so I am going to tap on it, select delete account, then continue. Right from here you can choose any option. I am just going to pick the first one and continue. Scroll down to the very bottom, continue again. On the setup, we need to enter our Facebook password. Once you have done that, just stop at continue, and that is the final step where we need to confirm the deletion. Once you tap at delete account, your account will be hidden for 30 days. It will be deactivated and all your all your media files and your name will be hidden from the Facebook. However, in that 30 days, you will be able to reactivate your account simply by logging back in. After that 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. To delete your account, tap at the button by now. So by this way, you can delete your Facebook account on phone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.